Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today we're taking a sneak peek at our screen protector for the Nintendo Switch Lite. Most of you can agree that a screen protector for your Nintendo Switch is one of those essential must-haves. That doesn't change with the Switch Lite. This time around, we're doing things a bit differently though. Instead of just our standard twin pack, we're adding the lifetime quad pack. With reasonable care and attention, an Orzly screen protector should last a lifetime. But we know that life isn't like that and accidents do happen. That's why we created the Lifetime Pack. It's a contingency plan that makes sure you have the spares just in case you mess up on an application, your screen protector gets damaged, or you want to refresh to get your Switch Lite looking like new again. If it goes on perfectly the first time, you have spares that you can give to your friends and family to make sure that the Switch Lites are protected. So let's take a look what you get in the pack. We've made sure that you've got enough equipment for 4 screen protector installs. Here we have alcohol swabs, dust stickers, a microfiber cloth, an applicator card, and your screen protectors. Our screen protector is full adhesive and made from a special chemically treated reinforced glass. It's got an industry-leading 9H hardness. The clarity is superb, and with its high light transmitters, image quality is amazing and the colors are just as vivid as the bare screen. The adhesive is tested up to 60 degrees Celsius or 140 Fahrenheit, making sure it doesn't fail if your Switch overheats. Our screen protector is 6.3 inches diagonally to give you that edge-to-edge coverage that you want for your Switch Lite. Also, we've made the screen protector as thin as possible without compromising on its strength and durability. As for durability, we test our screen protectors extensively to make sure we're only providing you with the highest quality. The safety of you and your device is our main concern. The glass is tempered to provide maximum protection for your Switch Lite screen. To protect you in case the screen protector shatters, we've layered a thin film coating on both sides of the glass. This will prevent the screen protector from shattering into small pieces with sharp edges by keeping them stuck to the film. When you buy our screen protector, don't forget to sign up for our warranty program to make sure that you're fully protected. Thanks for watching.